Welcome to NZX's Issuer Milestone series. Today I'm joined by the CEO of Goodman Property Trust, Dakin. John, thanks so much for joining us and being a part of NZX's Milestone series.
Pleasure.
NZX 50 listed property stocks have been tracking really well over recent years. What have you guys got in the pipeline to help keep this growth going?
Yeah, the main focus for Goodman, I guess, and our point of difference to the other property entities is our development pipeline. So in the last year we've signed about 100 million of new development starts, and it's a range of design builds and pre-committed developments for companies like Bridgestone and DHL and Metro Glass and those sorts of businesses. So that's a big driver of our growth, and a lot of that's been funded directly through asset sales.
And you talk about these new developments, one of which is your involvement down in Auckland's Viaduct. You announced that in November. Why did you choose this particular development? What makes it stand out?
Well, we've been an investor in that Viaduct area for about 8 or 9 years. We've owned an interest in the Vodafone, KPMG and HP Microsoft buildings and Air New Zealand. We more recently acquired the Fonterra building and see that as a really strong growth area for Auckland. What we want to do though is end up with an investment of around 250 million in there. So that's why we brought in a partner, which is the government of Singapore.
Yep.
So I think a real positive for New Zealand that a global investor like that is prepared to invest in our market.
And you announced the deal, of course, in November. How has progress tracked since then?
Oh, very good. I think the Fonterra building, you can drive past it and see it going up. It's added about a floor a month, and it's at the top now.
Yep.
And you'll see new glass going on and a lot of development activity there in the next 12 months.
Goodman Property Trust has obviously been listed on the NZX coming up 16 years in June, a massive achievement. What piece of advice would Goodman give to a company who's got ambitions of one-day listing?
Look, I think one of the things in New Zealand that's in the past has been an issue is access to capital, and I think Goodman's a really good example of a business that's had a really high quality approach to its assets and the development and growth of its business. It's raised over $1 billion in equity on the NZX, and I think having the framework of the NZX and the quality of the regulation around it also adds to the quality of your business. So if you get the quality aspects right, you'll attract the capital and you'll have a successful outcome.
Great, thanks so much.